Asylum seeker died by suicide in New York City homeless shelter, mayor says. A woman seeking asylum died by suicide in a New York City homeless shelter, Eric Adams said on Monday. The mayor's announcement comes as the city struggles to find placement for the influx of migrants coming to the city. Quote, the thousands of asylum seekers we have seen arrive in our city came to this country seeking a better life. Sadly, though, yesterday an asylum seeker in one of our facilities took her own life, Adams said in a statement. Our hearts break for this young woman and any loved ones she may have, and we as a city mourn her. This tragedy is a reminder that we have an obligation to do everything in our power to help those in need. Well, I mean, this is like a multiple, right? Like, the country as a country, as a whole country, every state in this country, as well as the federal government, should be much better equipped to process immigration, right? Two, New York City should be, out of all cities, I mean, the motherfucking shit has Ellis Island, right? New York City should have one of the best immigration systems in the country. It doesn't. And then also, again, when you've got thousands and thousands and thousands of people being bussed up and planed up by Republican ghouls, right, that they're just trying to skip the problem, it's going to create a lot of people that feel used and abused. If you are trying to legally immigrate, I want to, again, remind everyone, if you look at any of the comment sections on any of the videos I've talked about this immigration stuff on, you'll see the comments by the right-wingers are like, oh, illegals, open borders, illegals, illegals. Again, I need you to understand, these are legal migrants, right? They are legal migrants. If you think we should completely shut down all legal immigration into this country, I mean, one, you're stupid. But two, at least say that. You can't say that people legally coming into the country are illegal aliens. They are legally coming into the country. Again, these motherfuckers are ridiculous. Okay? Adams defended the city's, quote, the thousands of asylum seekers we have seen and arrive in our city came to this country seeking, I already read that, okay. Adams defended the city's efforts to shelter thousands of migrants who have come to the city in recent months and again blasted Texas Governor Greg Abbott for sending buses of asylum seekers to the city on Sunday. Adams said the city is considering suing Texas over sending migrants unannounced to New York. They should. I mean, Abbott, in a very indirect but also very intentional way, murdered this person. I don't know what to tell you, right? When you lie to people over and over and over and over and bust them across the country, they show up, they think, oh, okay, I'm going to be processed here. They're not. Everyone's arrived, like they arrive and everyone's confused and they say, we don't know what to do either. Right? You say, oh, I need to get to Oklahoma. Why the fuck am I in New York City? Oh, I need to get to California. Why am I in New York City? Oh, I need to get to fucking Florida. Why am I in New York City? You run out of options. Again, a lot of people that are seeking asylum have a whole host of issues that they would be seeking asylum for. A lot of people are coming from war zones. A lot of people have had family killed. A lot of people have like post-traumatic stress disorder. Right? So again, playing with them as if they're toys. Like, these people are insane. I need you to understand. The right-wing mind, in order for someone to identify as a Republican, to identify as a conservative, to identify as a right-winger, they need to be a psychopathic, wannabe serial killer. That is the only definition of a Republican you need to concern yourself with. Every and any Republican would love to murder as many people that they don't like as possible. It's just that they understand, well, how do I do this and get away with it? Well, that's where politics comes in. This is legalized murder. Again, we have a very, very tight restricted border. That's just a fact. That's just a fact. But you can legally migrate to the country It's called the asylum process. That is a legal process. These are facts. So why do Republicans want to kill these people anyway? Why do they want to deport them anyway? If they're against illegal immigration, why would they want to kill and deport legal migrants? Again, they just consider anybody that's not a white person to be an illegal alien. That's it. And they want them to go away. Now, that can mean killing them in this case. That can mean deporting them in other cases. Right? I mean, again, this is why it goes back into the poor people. We send poor people out to fight our wars, right? It's the rich Republicans. They don't want to do that shit. They want to be serial killers. They want to murder people. They want to be responsible for the death and suffering of as many people that they don't like as possible. Except they want to do it in as legal a way as possible, and that's politics, folks. That's what politics is. That's all politics is legalized corruption, legalized bribery, legalized murder, legalized theft. That is what politics is. That's what it's always been. And that's probably what it always will be, because I don't think any country on this planet is anywhere close to solving the problems that lead to all this kind of stuff. But anyway, again, like, I just can't with these fucking immigrant Republican people. Like, oh, the illegals. They're legal? Oh, but the border, we have open borders. If we had open borders, then why would they be legally entering the country if they could just walk in? Again, bookmark this video if you're watching this video version and not the stream. Bookmark the video. Come back in a week, and I guarantee you're going to scroll down in the comment section. Motherfuckers are going to be crying about open borders. Motherfuckers are going to be crying about illegals. Completely irrelevant, and they're going to be celebrating the death and suffering of this poor individual. It's just sad. I mean, the way that this country deals with things like this is just sad. It's embarrassing. It's embarrassing, and it's sad, and it's honestly reprehensible. So, I don't know what to tell you.